Segmented or polychaete worms are extremely numerous and diverse in marine habitats. A favourite with divers are the Christmas tree worms. The part we see is the crown of feather-like tentacles or radioles. The rest of the animal is safely hidden within a tube embedded in the coral. If startled, the animal quickly withdraws into its tube and seals the trapdoor shut behind it. These ornate tentacles are used for both breathing and as traps for passing plankton. Not all segmented worms are filter feeders. Free-swimming bristle worms eat invertebrates and scavenge on animal remains. These worms are best avoided. When touched, the sharp bristles break off, inflicting a painful and long-lasting sting. The giant of the group is the bobbit worm. Reaching an enormous 3 metres in length, this alien-like creature buries itself into the seabed, then it waits. With lightning speed and voracious claws, it shoots out of the ground, grabbing passing fish.